Thanks for choosing BlackVue to provide you with the ultimate peace of mind. In this video, we'll show you how to use the Hardwiring power cable so you can ensure your vehicle is always protected, even when you're away. Here's a look at the components we'll use for this installation. Start by locating the fuse box in your car. If necessary, refer to your vehicle's manual. This is where you'll connect the hardwiring cable. For a clean install, we recommend using fuse taps. First, you'll want to locate a fuse with switched power. This is a fuse that will only be powered when the ignition is on. Some examples could be the accessory power socket or audio fuses. Refer to your vehicle's manual if you're unsure. Use a fuse puller or pliers to remove the fuse. Now attach the red wire of the hardware kit directly to the switched power fuse. Then reinsert the fuse back into the slot. Next, locate a constant power fuse. This could be emergency lamps, cabin light, or tail lights. Use a fuse puller to remove the constant power fuse and attach the yellow wire to the fuse. Insert the fuse back into the fuse slot. Now secure the wire labeled GND to a metal part of the vehicle's frame to ground the power. Finally, connect the other end of the hardwiring cable to your main dashcam unit. Use the included pry tool to hide cables in the headliner, plastic molding, or rubber sealing. Avoid running cables in any way that would interfere with airbag deployment. For more information, visit BlackVue.com.